Hey again, everyone. I'm Dolly, and I welcome you to join me and my colleagues over the next 6 weeks on the Live Industry Project. First and foremost, congratulations on completing the 4 weeks of bootcamp. I'm thrilled to see how much you all have learned in a short span of 4 weeks. We covered the foundation of Python, where you had first an exposure to connect to the Postgres database on the cloud, learning to create charts and creating complex data pipelines using AWS. Despite many of you coming from a non technical background, you all have demonstrated tenacity through these technical hands on sessions. Now, let me tell you more about the exciting upcoming 6 weeks of Live Industry Project. I'm very excited to assign a dedicated resource to help you facilitate the project. We will be leveraging the Agile project management methodology. In preparation for this project, my team and I have worked very hard to pull together real-world large dataset that is provided by industry partners. Over the next 6 weeks, you will be working on the Cancer project, where we will be analyzing a dataset of 1.9 million cancer patient records. Because it's such a large, complex dataset, the possibility of analysis is endless. We will get hands-on with Python, Postgres, and AWS Cloud to analyze the data and produce insights. This project is designed to progressively enhance your skills in handling complex datasets. In the initial orientation, you will familiarize yourself with the project scope, data dictionary, and lookup tables, laying a solid groundwork for data handling and analysis ahead. Subsequently, you will write SQL scripts to load cancer patient data into a Postgres database, gaining practical experience in database management on the AWS Cloud Platform. Then, you will merge datasets, particularly the patient and tumor datasets, to conduct an initial analysis and uncover valuable insights. In the following weeks, you will perform deep data analysis and create visualizations using Python and libraries like Matplotlib. This will illustrate patterns and insights derived from the data and challenge your analytical abilities. Finally, you will summarize your findings into a comprehensive report with visualizations and present them using Canva video, showcasing the skills and insights you have developed throughout the project. Furthermore, if time allows and dependent on your level of interest, I would love to explore some of the new capabilities around AWS with you. Thank you.